Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is actually my first tutorial on how to make a Mega Jet. Actually, I got this idea from Star Trek because me and my dad were watching it. Anyway, so you're gonna want one of these bricks. These are here, one of them. You're gonna want one of these in any color anyway, and you're gonna want 10 of these, specifically 10. Now you want to place this there. This there, this there. Okay. Now, if you want to do it quicker, you can. Oh, sorry. You can do it like that, and then you can put it there. You gotta put these blues on. Then you gotta flip it around. You gotta put that there, that there, that there, and boom! And I made a little pedestal so I can stand. And this is my first one. I put a little Lego guy on there. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Anyway, I got tons of little Legos. Anyway, comment down below what I should make in my next tutorial. And yeah, have a nice day. Bye.